Hello everyone, in this video I will show you, Shopify 3-month free trial. Can you still get the Shopify 3-month trial here? So let me show you up. If I just go to Google and look for, and of course Shopify gives us a free trial, but we don't have this 3-month free trial because it was in the pandemic and right now we can't access it. But you can get this, you have to pay rupees around very less if you're using this if you're watching this video in US or some different country. You have to pay around $1 for a month and you can use completely for 1 month. And right now we just get around 3 days of free trial. So if I just go and click on login here, I will get the free trial, but it will be only for 3 days. And after that I have to pay around $1. Then I will get a 1 month of free trial. I mean, just paying by 20 rupees or $1, I will completely able to use it, right? Even the checkout ways and everything, right? In a sort of way I can use the Shopify, right? So this is how you can get it. And unfortunately we can't. You can see here Shopify free trial for 3 days, no credit card required. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video very useful, subscribe.